Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on and on.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So on today's video, I will be decorating and kind of cleaning out my dining room table and my living room. So I did go over to Home Goods and I found, and Hobby Lobby actually, and I did find some really cute stuff. So it did give me the inspiration to kind of change things around and just give my space a little bit of pop of color. And if you have seen my previous video where I did decorate some of my kitchen, I did let you guys know that I was getting into the really pastel colors. And so the baby pink is just what I am so into this time around. I don't know why, but that pop of color is like really, seriously. I don't know why, but I am obsessing over that color. So I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did get for my dining room area, and then we are gonna get to cleaning it out and then decorating. So, okay, so as you can see here, these are the little plates that I did get, and I went ahead and I got these little cute pastel pink color and the shape of eggs, and then I got these little yellow bunnies. And so you guys will see how I will put those. And so I also did find this beautiful hydrangea centerpiece. I did find that one at Home Goods, and I just thought that it was so pretty and beautiful. The colors are just very muted and I absolutely love it. Then I also did find these placemats, and these were from Home Goods as well. These were only $7, you guys, and it does have 6 of them, so I really thought that that was a really good deal. And then I did get these napkins. These are also from Home Goods. Pretty much everything from here on that I'm going to show you is from Home Goods, and I just thought that these napkins were so beautiful, the colors of them, and then it does have the little bunnies on there. These were only $5, and it does come with a set of 4 napkins. And so I also did find this table runner, and I really loved how I didn't have like bunnies, because I mean, I know that I want to decorate for like Easter and stuff, but I don't necessarily want to go too all out with bunnies everywhere, all over, especially if I am already gonna have like these and my napkins and stuff in my dining room. You know, I didn't want to go like too overboard. So I still wanted that pop of color, and so I did find this one, so I fell in love with it, and it is like checkered. This one was also from Home Goods, and this one was $14.99. So now that I showed you everything, let's get started.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go it all up, give it all up, give it all up. Give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?